Hello there. Today we are going to discuss about the export business of brushes from our country to multiple countries. Brushes are used for cleaning, painting, grooming, or applying substances across the various industrial and household applications. India exports brushes to more than 110 countries, and these are the top destinations. This product falls under Chapter 85, and the HSN code for this product is 8545-2000. And more than 15,700 shipments took place as reported on 3rd of July 2025. And during the financial year 23-24, the total export of brushes from our country to multiple countries was having a value of 34.7 crores of Indian rupees. And between April 24 to July 25, the total worth of export reached to 5.81 crores of Indian rupees. Key manufacturers and suppliers you can find in many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. I hope the information in this video will be useful for your export business, and request to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video to book a complimentary meeting and learn about the export business processes and compliance. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very successful export business journey.